everybody, I'm Adam with LS2 Helmets. Today I want to go over how easy it is to install the Pinlock insert on your Valiant II outer shield. First step, let's get the shield off of the helmet. Go ahead and press the tabs on the carriers here and your shield will pop right out. Go ahead and press the other side, same way, and set that helmet aside for later. Put the shield face down in front of you and go ahead and grab that insert out of the box. The Valiant II helmet actually comes with the Pinlock insert. It's a nice little added feature for you. The Pinlock insert has a notch on both sides. These notches are going to line up with the pins on the inside of your outer shield. So take that first notch and line it up in the pin here. And go ahead and actually open up that outer shield. These outer shields are nice and flexible, so you have a little bit of room to make sure you have enough give to get that insert installed. And once you've got that spread out, go ahead and slot in the other notch here in the other pin. And double check, I like to give it a little bit of a flex. Double check, make sure there's no air gaps around the silicone bead here. And once you've done that, go ahead and peel the yellow cling off of the insert and you're good to go. Everything looks nice and clean and fully aligned. Once we've got that cling removed, let's go ahead and reinstall the shield onto the helmet. So remember, line up your bottom tab in the carrier here and then snap in the top. Do the same thing on the other side. Bottom tab, snap it into the top, and go ahead and close that outer shield. And once I've done that, I like to open and close this a couple times just to make sure everything's fully aligned, nothing's dragging on the helmet itself. Everything looks good, so we're ready to go for a ride.